Hi, this is Lee here from Spirit Skoda. Here we have our 2017 Skoda Kodiaq. This is an edition model, 2-litre diesel, 150 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive automatic. This car is finished in business grey with black leather interior. Features include 19-inch alloys, LED headlights, power folding mirrors, keyless entry, tinted rear windows, an electric driver's seat, an electric passenger seat. This car also has LED rear lights. You have heated seats inside. This car will be fully serviced before sale and will also come with a 2-year Skoda warranty and 2 years roadside assistance. This car also has an electric factory tow bar which is deployable from the boot. This car also comes with Skoda's electric tailgate. In the boot, we're currently in 5-seater mode, but the 2 seats will fold up. You have shopping bag hooks. This is the button to deploy the tow bar, and the middle row of seats can also go flat down. In the back, we've electric windows. We have 2 ISOFIX points on either side for child seats, and we have a fold-down armrest with cup holders. In the front, we've electric windows and electric mirrors. The electric driver's seat with memory function, full black leather interior, automatic lights and wipers, a push button start, a leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, drive mode select and an off-road button, dual zone climate control with heated seats, and our Columbus infotainment system with sat-nav, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have any more questions on this car, would like to book a test drive or get a finance quote, give us a call today on 01 216 3666. Thanks very much.